Hello guys, welcome back with our new video. In this video I will help you how to fix laptop touchpad not working. So let's start without wasting any time. So first of all, attach a external mouse with your laptop. So I have attached already the mouse with this laptop. So first of all you need to open control panel and search here control panel. Click here and after this click on mouse. So if you not seen this type of interface, if you have seen this type of interface, then you click category and click on large icons and click on mouse. So after this click on hardwares. So here you can see there are two hardwares of touchpad, first one and second one, and third one is the external mouse. So you need to click first one, double click on it, click on drivers and click to update drivers. So my drivers are already updated, so if you not have updated then you need to update it. After this click on second one and click on drivers and you need to update also these drivers. So I have already updated. So after this click on cancel and open your device manager. So there are many ways to open device manager. First one is the this PC, right click on this PC and click to manage and click here device manager. So after this here you can see mouse and other pointing devices, click here. So there are also three mouse. First two are touchpad and last one is the external mouse. So you need to click on first one and click on drivers and here you can see there is the option of update driver. So you need to click here and click on search automatically. The laptop picked automatically these drivers and after this click cancel and click on second one. So second one is there, click on it and click on drivers and click on update drivers. So after doing updated both of the drivers, then go back and open your internet browser. So I have opened this internet browser and search here your laptop company. If you have laptop of HP, then you need to search here HP. If your laptop is Dell, then you need to search here Dell. So my laptop is Lenovo, therefore I am search here Lenovo. Click here and open official website. The first one are the sponsors means ads. So you need to click official website. This is the official website of Lenovo. So click here and click on support. So you need to click support and after this go to PC. So laptops are fall in the PC category. So you need to click view PC support and put here serial number of your laptop. If you don't have your serial number, then I'll tell you how to find. So first of all, right click on start and click on Windows Power Shell. Click here and write here WMIC space BIOS space GET space serial number. So after writing this, click on enter. So here you can see serial number of my laptop is available. So you need to copy it. Copy, Control C. So after this, open that website. So paste here PC Sport, paste here and search. So here you can see my laptop is available on this site. So after this, you need to click on driver and software and click on manual update. Click here and here check your window version. So my window version is Windows 10 64-bit. Click here and after this scroll down and find the here you can see mouse, touchpad, keyboard and pen etc. All of these drivers are here. So you need to click here, scroll down. So there are many of drivers. So you need to download all of these and install in your laptop. So you need to install first one, second one, third one, last one, all of these. So after installing these drivers, your laptop's touchpad will be fine. So hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.